The trail here is roughly a mile, according to the website. They don't say anything on here. It's 66 acres. So, let's get started. Ew, a step. There's deer up in there. So where's the trail? Guess you can launch canoes and stuff from here, huh? Interesting. So, Louis Calumet River? Nice. It's about to come up here and go fishing, if you ask me. Yeah, definitely no problem. I come back up in here and go fishing. Yeah, definitely long pants would have been a good thing to wear here. And perhaps a machete. Ouch! That one hurt. Oop, trip. Very narrow path. Nice clear opening over there. Oh, there's a bench over there. How do you get to that side? There's a bench over there. So, as you can see, the trail here is kind of wet. So keep that in mind if you come here and walk this trail. And I know I'm here kind of at the rain too, so it could be a little more dry when if it's not has rained or something, most likely. This is a very narrow trail walk. So it's pretty much a single file person. And definitely long pants when you come here and walk, I would guess would be a good idea. I'm gonna walk a while by myself and I'll cut you back in when I get somewhere kind of interesting. Looks like I made it to almost the end of the trail. It looks like I'm on an old roadway of sorts or something. So, sorry I hadn't cut in sooner, but a lot of walking through weeds and all that stuff. Didn't really see a whole lot interesting other than that crane that I showed a quick clip of because it took off flying, as you can see. But I think I'm almost to the end of this mile trail. Definitely got ate up by mosquitoes. Definitely not a summertime trail walk. Maybe a fall or an autumn trail walk. Maybe even early spring trail walk. Something like that. Where there's a little less mosquitoes. But nonetheless, nice walk. Looks like we're along train tracks right now. But all in all, not too bad of a walk. Oh, I itch now, and definitely going to be taking me a shower to get rid of that itch when I get home. So, I don't know how much farther to the parking lot, but I might cut in when I'm back there. I'll see you then. So actually, the old roadway, walking into it, you walk right back into the trail area, and I'm back into the woods. So that's kind of cool. So where I thought I was, I actually ain't. So a little more walking here. Maybe back. But we're doing good. Trail goes off in this direction. Hopefully a little less mosquitoes over this way, but I doubt it. I'd like to see a deer or two. I've heard them. I seen one when I first pulled into the parking lot after getting here. It was more into the trees, and that was before I was even had the phone in recording, so we were all the way over that way. Now we're over here. Don't look like you want to fall down that, I'll tell you that much right now. So we'll keep on walking and see where this trail dumps us out at this time. I may cut back in with that, or we'll just keep on walking together for a while. I don't think very many people walk these at this nature preserve for some reason. I didn't see anybody else here when I came in, so I don't know. Of course, it is still kind of early in the morning when I got here, and it is a Sunday. Let's do a scan over this ways. Yeah, not a whole lot going on over there. It is nice walking through nature. Do 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 do. Well, that looks like it's gonna be fun to go down. Yeah, it's kind of a steep hill to go down here, people. I don't think you can really see that in the camera here. And take my time. I might pause while I try to make it down there. It looks a little slick. I might grab this tree. Okay. Let's take our time. walk over towards the side here. I've almost got down this hill. Down, down, and we made it down. A lot of mud going on here. And then we got a walking bridge like they do on the other sides. Looks like some people did some old sticks and did this one. Old branches, old tree stumps. And it looks like the path is narrowing up again. Hopefully we don't got another hill like that last one. So that was kind of interesting. Glad y'all were here with me on that walk. In that spot. I'm going to cut back in. Definitely now when I get to the parking lot. I'm going to get me some water. I should say taking me a drink of water. Ooh, nice meadow field here. And sort of very nice to come out into this. That looks really, really nice. Huh. Definitely is nice. Look at the pretty, like, orange flowers over here. Looks like the trail goes off into this direction. Oh, those are nice. I don't know what kind of flowers those are, but they're nice. I like the orange color. They look orange to me. I'm going to follow this off this way. Alright. It looks like we're going up a hill. Nice terrain change. It looks like we're going to be back in the woods. Definitely after this hill climb, I'm taking a drink of water. That's for sure. A little sleep there. Alright, I'll catch you. I'll see y'all back at the truck. So I'm almost back to the truck now. I'm on, I want to mention the parking is on Tyler Street here in Chesterton. So you're going to come down Calumet to in South Haven to Tyler Street here. And the way I'm walking, well, there's an apartment complex buildings back over here. So you're coming up the street from the intersection of Calumet and Tyler. The gravel lot you see on our right hand side is where the parking for the nature preserve is at. And shortly you'll see a truck. Definitely glad I brought my truck and not my scooter. Looks like somebody else is here. So, truck's right there. They made it easy way to get out. But we're back into the parking lot. And this mile-long walk is done.